Welcome to Sword and Dictation transcription number 457. State Trading Corporation. Kailash Chandra dictation 400 words, 90 to 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Sir, the State Trading Corporation came into existence 3 years ago when the opinion in the country was very much divided. There were many doubting elements who shouted and cried that the state was embarking on an adventure which should be the close preserve of private enterprise. All these people represented the world of vested interests, but the organization was assured in spite of their criticism of their adverse reaction. In a healthy climate of goodwill, because there were also many in the country who thought that such an organization would be able to introduce a new healthy trend in our trade and commerce, and that it would help us to build up our trade international and national. So, sir, we have this organization for the last 3 or 4 years, and we have to look at the and judge the career of this small baby which we have ushered into the economy of our country. Sir, I have looked at all the 3 reports produced by the corporation, and I was very much disappointed to find that the achievements of this organization during this period have been pitifully small. It has belied our expectation. It has defeated our hopes and desires. Sir, in the first year of its performance, this body has been able to trade to the extent of rupees 10 crores. In the second year, it has been increased to rupees 28 crores. In the third year, which we are reviewing, the achievement has gone further, and there is a turnover of rupees 35 crores or so. These figures may signify a trend in the upward direction, a favorable trend, and expansionary growth of this organization. Sir, I think one of my friends on the opposite side pointed out that this organization has been embarking upon fresh fields and new areas which should have been conveniently left in the hands of the private people. May I draw his attention to the fact that with all this huge performance that it has to its credit, the organization has been able to control less than 31% of the trade and commerce in the history. Full stop. It has got on its list of trade only 43 items among countless items which are left for the private enterprise. My complaint is not that the organization is taking up new fields and new areas and is encroaching upon full stop.